Ever wonder why rosemary is such a popular herb? It turns out this little green wonder is packed with benefits for your body. And in this video by The Daily Eco, we are diving deep into the world of rosemary. We'll explore what makes it so good for you, how it can be used for different things, and even some easy ways to prepare it at home. So, let's get started. Properties of rosemary. Rosemary has a lot of beneficial ingredients. These include essential oils, which can help circulation and to fight off bacteria, rosmarinic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that are helpful for aches and pains, and flavonoids and tannins, which are natural antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. But what exactly is rosemary good for? Rosemary has a unique mix of natural compounds that offer a range of potential health benefits. For example, if you struggle with gas or bloating, rosemary's carminative properties may help your body expel intestinal gas, offering some relief. If, on the other hand, you are feeling puffy, rosemary exhibits potential diuretic properties which could help reduce fluid retention. Furthermore, research suggests rosemary's antioxidants might be beneficial for maintaining a youthful-looking skin. Also, rosemary's antiseptic and antimicrobial properties might support wound healing and promote a healthy skin. Finally, the anti-inflammatory effects of rosemary may offer some comfort for joint pain or headaches. How to prepare a rosemary infusion? Here's how to make a simple rosemary infusion at home. You'll only need dried rosemary leaves and some water. Start by bringing some water to a boil in a pot. Once it's boiling, toss in your dried rosemary leaves. Let the water simmer with the rosemary for 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn off the heat, cover the pot and let it steep for a few extra minutes. Then strain the liquid to remove the leaves and enjoy. You can drink up to 3 cups of this infusion a day, but only for a short period. For a more regular consumption, stick to only 1 cup daily or just a few times a week. Did you know that rosemary can also be infused in oil? And this flavored oil can be used in salad dressings or in many other dishes. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. Do you know what ingredient rosemary can replace in cooking? Option A, salt. Option B, sugar. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. How to use rosemary for your hair. Rosemary can be a natural friend to your hair. Here's how to use it. Grab some fresh or dried rosemary sprigs and your usual shampoo. Add a few sprigs of rosemary directly into the bottle and then leave the rosemary inside for a few weeks, letting it infuse its goodness. Once dipped, give the bottle a good shake to mix everything together and continue using your now rosemary-infused shampoo as usual. Alternatively, you can make a rosemary infusion and add a small amount to your regular shampoo just before each wash. Just remember to shake it well. Contraindications and side effects. While rosemary is generally safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. For example, pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as children under 5, should avoid consuming rosemary. Also, taking too much rosemary can lead to nausea or vomiting. If you have high blood pressure and take medication for it, rosemary might interact with those medications. People taking diuretics or lithium should also be cautious about consuming rosemary. As always, we advise you to talk to your doctor before using rosemary medicinally, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or take medications. And now that you learned about all the benefits of rosemary, we encourage you to get a rosemary plant for your home. It's a versatile herb that you can use fresh whenever you need it. Plus, it smells amazing. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is A. Rosemary's unique flavor profile can add depth to dishes without the need for extra salt. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section below, and until next time.